What's up, you all people? I'm back with another awesome Mafia City video, and today we are going to talk about Crude Crisis Privilege. I think Gold Rush is a very important part of the game now, and we just cannot ignore this. So these are some special kind of packs that game is providing you that will help you to get some certain benefits, and there are two types of privilege, guys: simple privilege and supreme privilege. So I'm going to be dissecting this. I'm going to tell the difference between both of them, and I'm going to tell you, is it really worth it to buy these packs or not? This is going to be a very important video, especially if you are really love to play Gold Rush and want to get max out of this event. So first we are going to talk about what is Crude Crisis Privilege. Crude Crisis Privilege, guys, is some certain benefits, certain rewards that you are going to get when you are playing Gold Rush that a normal player cannot get if he doesn't buy any kind of Crude Crisis pack. These privileges, guys, is going to be there until Gold Rush finish. For example, if you buy this privilege when Gold Rush start, and so these privileges will be there until the Gold Rush end. And suppose if you buy this privilege between of the month, like suppose Gold Rush is 30 days, you buy this on day 15, then you're going to get this privilege only for 15 days. So it's going to be depend on what time of event you buy these packs, because there is time limit for them. The sooner you will buy, the better it will be. Now let's talk about benefit of simple privilege. There are a couple of rewards that you are going to get right off the bat. That first thing is going to be 2000 gold. Then you're going to get some Gold Rush resources. That's not very important. Both of them are Gold Rush resource. But the last thing, guys, you're going to get is some mastery experience. 100 into 10, 1000 mastery experience you're going to get as soon as you buy this pack. And guys, don't get me wrong, there is difference between mastery points and mastery experience. Don't just count that I'm going to get mastery points. Mastery points are the points, guys, that is going to help you to level up your season mastery. You can see these are mastery points, not mastery experience. Normally you do some investment using Gold Rush resource, then you are going to get some mastery experience, and once the bar is full, you are going to get 5 mastery points. So if you are going to buy the simple privilege, you are going to get 1000 mastery experience points right off the bat. It's not a big deal, guys. It's not a huge thing, I will say, but I will say it's going to give you a little bit jump start from others player that did not buy this pack. There are 4 privilege that is going to provide you. The first privilege provides claimable season material and mastery experience daily during the privilege period. So this means, guys, you are going to get some mastery experience point. Don't confuse this with mastery point. You're going to get some mastery points and some season material every day. Now let's check out what you're going to get every day. You're going to get 200 mastery experience every day with some resource and 1 2 hour contract research speed up. So this is the benefit that you're going to get every day if you purchase this pack. The benefits are not so much great, but if you're going to get them daily, I am sure that you're going to complete that skill tree a lot faster than other players. Now let's check out the other benefit. Boost season research speed by 5% and reduce season contract cost by 50,000 during privilege effect period. So it's going to be speeding up your contract research investment by 5%. Every investment is going to cost 50,000 less. Every investment that you're going to do in your season contract research is going to cost 50,000 less. I'm going to give you my overall impression in the end. Provide a free season map entrance chance every hour, 1 hour during the privilege effect period, and in bracket it's writing max 2. So if you're jumping back and forth between your season map and normal map, you already know that it's going to cost you 1 teleport every time you're going to enter your season map from your normal map. So that's what it costs to enter season map from normal map. So it's going to provide you a chance that you can enter season map without any cost, without any teleport. It's writing max 2. That means that in overall you can enter your season map 2 times for free. Normally it's going to take you 2 teleport. It's going to save you 4000 gold every day if you are jumping back and forth between normal map and season map. Now let's move on to the last one. Boost mercenary op speed by 50%, crew attack by 25% in Las Misas. So eliminating 1 mercenary will be counted as twice, and the leader will earn twice the season points during privilege effect period. I think this is a very good reason that you can buy this Crude Crisis simple privilege. It's going to increasing your mercenary op speed. Usually mercenary op speeds are really slow, so if you kill a lot of mercenary every day, you really want to rank higher in the season ranking. You want to be getting those top 10 rewards, then must that you kill 200 mercenaries every day. So for this, if you're really looking to rank very high, I think it's a very good thing that you are going to get 50% off speed. Not only that, one mercenary attack is going to count as twice as much personal point if you're going to attack one mercenary. So it's going to save you a lot of time. I think that's a really good thing if you're really looking to rank higher in the Crude Crisis. This is the Crude Crisis simple privilege. Now let's talk about Supreme Privilege. So I'm not going to read everything, guys. I'm just going to be telling you the difference between simple privilege and Supreme Privilege. So first thing is going to be what rewards you're going to get right off the bat if you're going to purchase the pack. You're going to get 5,000 gold as compared to 2,000 gold from simple privilege. So 3,000 more gold you're going to get, some resources, and then you're going to get twice as much master experience points than simple privilege. So in simple privilege you're going to get 1000 mastery experience point. Now you're going to get 2000 mastery experience point. So this is the benefit you're going to get right off the bat. Let's talk about the daily rewards, guys. Daily rewards are going to increase. You're going to get 400 mastery experience every day, and you're going to get some resources also increasing, and also you're going to get 2 hour speed ups every day for your contract research. So this is the difference on daily reward. Everything is, guys, just doubled in this. Now let's move to another point. Simple privilege, you're going to get the contract research speed by 5%. Now you're going to get it by 10%, and also the investment is going to cost 100k less resources as compared to 50,000 in your simple privilege. In Supreme Privilege, guys, you're going to get your crew attack by 10% in season map. So you're going to get additional 10% crew attack in your season map if you're going to buy Crude Crisis Supreme Privileges. Also, you're going to get 10% more medallions certificates. If you're going to complete outpost task, you're going to get 10% more medallion certificate compared to normal one. If you're thinking that you're going to get simple privilege benefit if you're going to buy Supreme Privileges, that's not the case. If you buy Supreme Privileges, you're only going to get the benefit that you're seeing on your screen that I explain you right now. You're not going to get any benefits of the simple privilege. If you are going to compare these mercenary benefit that we are going to get in simple privilege, we are not going to get that in Supreme Privilege. So what game is tricking us that if you want everything, you need to buy both of these packs. One pack is, guys, really going to help you in that season point ranking stuff for sure, but the another one is not going to help you so much. It's going to help you in other areas. That's the trickery, guys, in this, that you're not going to get both of these benefits. You need to buy both of these packs if you're really looking for everything that I explain you. If you buy Supreme, you're only going to get the benefit that you see on your screen. If you buy simple privilege, that's the same case. So let's talk about, is it worth it? First, I'm going to talk about Supreme Privilege. Absolutely not. I don't think this pack worth it at all, worth your time, worth your money. I don't think there's anything really special in. I guess it's $15 pack Supreme Privileges. I don't think it's worth $15 at all. So definitely a big no for Supreme Privilege. Now let's talk about Simple Privilege. So for Simple Privilege, guys, it's costing like $6 in my, I don't know how much cost in your, I think probably $5 or $10, whatever. Simple Privilege, guys, I think it's worth it to buy if you're really looking for that top 10 ranking, if you really want that extra edge, because the only thing really I really like about this is that mercenary speed and those double rewards in personal experience point. That's the only thing I like about the simple privilege. Other than that, all those rewards, guys, you can just do this normally. It's not going to make a huge difference, but the last one, guys, is really good if you really want to rank higher on your season personal experience point ranking. I think it's really worth it, especially if a lot of cities there are very competitive. It's really worth it to buy the simple privilege pack for sure. Other than that, a big no to Supreme Privilege. And that's me explaining these two packs because a lot of people want me to make a video about this. If you have something that I did not add or forget in this, let me know in the comment section below. So that was the video, and I hope I explained everything. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you on another one. Until then, take care, stay safe, and peace.